What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and today I'm super excited because I'm griddling for you one of my most favorite fall meals. Now, as you know, we're Destination Delicious. We travel the country making delicious meals, and we're originally East Coasters. And the past couple of years, we've actually still been on the East Coast for the fall season, believe it or not. So this is our first West Coast fall, and we are definitely feeling some cooler temperatures, which is nice. I don't know if we're gonna see those leaves change like we're used to.
Yep, that might be a different experience out here, but we'll see.
But no matter where you are this fall, it is always sandwich and soup weather. So today, for you, I'm griddling a triple cheese, triple decker, grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get us started, I've got the griddle set to medium, and I've got some creamy tomato soup here that all I need to do is heat it up. I am going to mix 3 cheeses together. I'm going to be using a sharp white cheddar, a Monterey Jack, and a new one for us, but one that I very much enjoy, a Brie. And mix them all together. I'm gonna set our cheeses aside and then start to butter our bread. We are using a fresh sourdough loaf. The buttered side is going to be going down on the griddle first. I'm gonna build our grilled cheese directly on the griddle, buttered side down. Got the griddle set to medium-low. And we are going to add our triple cheeses and spread that on our bread nicely. And covering it butter side up. While that first side is cooking, I am going to butter our third piece of bread. Our soup is warming up. I am going to doctor it up just a little bit with some salt and pepper, and we'll give it a nice stir. All right, here we go. Time to do the first flip on our sandwich. Oh, yeah. Look how golden brown. That looks so nice. Quickly, we are going to add another layer of cheese and cover it with our third piece of sourdough.
This is going to be one cheesy sandwich.
I love cheese. Cheese, and more cheese.
This is going to be an interesting flip.
This is the trickiest part of the whole meal. This is a quick one. It's easy until now.
We've had some interesting pancake flips.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Triple cheese flip coming up. Gosh, I'm nervous. We go for it fast.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh dear.
It's all right, I can recover this. Wasn't that bad, but it wasn't graceful. It wasn't pretty.
At least the cheese was stuck to the right side of the bread.
Yeah. This is when your husband tells you he has a better idea of how to get the soup into the bowl. Our triple cheese, triple stack, triple cheese is ready. We're gonna get it right off the griddle onto our board. I love cheese.
That crispy sourdough just sounds tasty when you cut it.
Spencer found this sourdough bread and it's delicious, and so he loves anything and everything with the sourdough. And it's true. I love cheese, all the cheeses. Let's see how I did. That is so good.
That is really good. I'm not typically a big soup sandwich dipper, but dipping the sandwich into the tomato soup really adds another element of flavor to it. It's super tasty.
Absolutely. I mean, I'm definitely a classic tomato soup grilled cheese person, but the 3 cheeses, the triple stack just has really elevated the sandwich, and the tomato soup is like that chef's kiss at the end.
So good.
We always appreciate you tuning in. Thank you for watching.
Stop by blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, Nate, CJ, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.